Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there, and then a location of Abeka Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
Adichiemu ensem efisem awaresem ayonkomu ensem ena eye African media ya bom mu bede ena yede ba besu mu egu honum ede amamo ebraso se eye enkita hudi a yedi ne daadaa no yede ba besu mu ye twa ye husema ye ba yede nko twetwe no ebe hyehye so yama wakwa abashronko esanse de ba eye African media so you try your want your sign aba. Afe ene asema eda apono so aye ba bebo hu. Yere ko potokosema or say, I have been married for 4 years and I have 2 sons. We are both graduates, but I haven't gotten a job. My husband provided everything for us. I have no problem with that. But the problem is, whenever there is an issue among us, he doesn't want to discuss together. When he wrongs me and I try to ask him, he will not talk to me for several days. And nowadays, he is with his phone, even in bed. He views all people's status on Facebook and WhatsApp. We no longer talk or chat together. The kids are 2 years and 3 months, so I sometimes feel lonely, even when he is around. Sometimes when he arrives from job, I'll serve him food, and it will take him 10 minutes to eat. We may start eating, but we'll finish before he starts. Even when I try to talk to him, he will not respond. Kindly help me in how to handle these issues. Inti asama ababeto apono so aye ba bebo hu ani ebie. Me kwa mintimi enye nkitamdie ema ne nye ye nti me saka okunu ni pa ane awado asemi mu esuko enye obi ase ya yira then Bruce.
Thank you.
Hani ya mwa kwa ba di ba.
Yeah. Me ni adele.
Biaboko na kombo kodie
adom ekrekre benden even nyambe
ngede dia se wakwa ya owarefo ya awaresem ya babeto ye ni miti na hu behia se ye behia wadwenkyere e de fasa asemi ye hwe abaye ya sem odi ababetuja oso ni kunu no atena mfinhia nan na nso so se eba me se obema na akoye bibi ana se asem bi nkoye e wo muntam a it takes several days until no meeting us solve this issue. What's your problem here?
Make us if you're bad no, be charity for. Nah, a friend is saying, I graduate, unya jumanya, a juma bibro, or seven office working one juma. And I know him say, a friend is say, Oko, yes, you are upon more. Your child sending out to start to be life. Anything. Just says, several tombo to cry now, who knew the other way into accounts and in your money, man, with me, I did. Yeah, who's a precious of family life, you know. They be out in Babana with fears, a way on him, and a man will yet attractive to him.
Because of say, ye own ye, Jumano, I am my name fairly attracted to my husband, and eating as a missy. Now, you can't say now, no one.
Some of Baba attraction, no. You see, attraction also brings respect. Into 1 year, Joanna, they be a me you know. A time will come, you become like a nuisance to me. Let me put it that way.
I'm a member 3 months.
But so 1 year, Juma. 1 year, Juma. Yes, 1 year, Juma.
And so, Palanation, the class, say, Juma.
Oh, and they say, Nanny Rom, some member, some member,
Juma, who need this.
But the fact of the matter is that, every woman, you need to strive to help your husband. They say, we are saying, me na make up pay na here, your mouth 1,000, or if na who's a nini na ama obema na any GS onya wawari mu. Onya. Waho. Ena, or said that in the phone no so no one, and you also warm. What no money ni agre.
Because baby na asamisi e wo fie. Meaning say communication is a key in relationship. na only me din komo why na me ni nkodin komo
obi a we
university we 4 years me ken so answer ne baba we bia ye di ye nyankita hodie bi yonko it is that time na baba si ende na say bia ende me nya adwuma anya ya because of adwuma nti wo di adwuma bebo
so enye because of adwuma o esikasem ne yaka no because we ase na ye bo na brabo no ye boko ye nim wow onya
e bika wo ni manka e bia me ni muti
da bi eso hu so hu a te se hu se ade na me ye no wow sika na me pa ba na nso yen eso so me o na o mira pese me ye we o bo a me na me so bo na de bia me ba na ate won na wo hwe tv de ne se be din o
na it is asema ba ano ne ketima ya na edi asema
o ya mature da ye I expect you to know certain things and you be na me make actual and until your maturity comes in
it is a one ka obi wo ho no ma say na all kind or you matured but sometimes naiveness also comes in
hey
if you are not naive
we are naive here na we just so wa
da da pemsin ti ye oba anya adwuma
and the kwala this can be of your brain
omo nya adwuma
aha we dey we nya ya ne say oba nko padwuma adwuma bebre abu
enti o pesi da solve problem
ne say onko padwuma ukopa adwuma na akoba the respect will come or be frown no why the respect will come but say we yet to say ade a e wo fie na emfa ho a that is how it happens well because another feel say you don't even feel respect oh I find no but and yes the stress remember your best stress so it mean I know so say they be am say awo say me ba wo ba ko na ba ko ke dum so aka me wo eh na stress a woman you push me nya enti e mat me fast stress mu wow enti omo no to me gina niama no na wo e yawa no but wo no your friend say me no me sheki kakra wo say mema enche na ye buafu aha enti me ba fie no fa bibi bra oh e bia mpese me ye we wo na me wo say wo dwen ho na de bia me ba na wo hwe so popra na wo ye we a
so
ye so popra
na so de hwe nkwala e wo beba na bi ho atochema wo ana obesa
oh ja
adenti na wo
ekofo ewo ekwa adwuma de bia omienu na akwa adwuma and they able to live enya easy o oba de wanya adwuma be ma no wo ho fono
what if say oba ne so go through emotional stress bi and also go through a trauma because I say according to story no ni kunu nya time ma ni biem ena unim embalance so omo pay attention ni time ni sa apropos ni sa ni man inti onya sa ade ni free
na sa o ma o
also we feeling lonely
and na the man o but you mo di agro and the crane is only kola ni di agro no o feeling lonely saying
o feeling lonely ama if you no cry me sure so we feeling bored
oh that be you see because onye adwuma nti no or too much time to spare we ye adwuma na wo dwindwin ne ma ka feel bored oh and I won't get Juma. Bibi kakra bi no taking a different level. But we adwuma na abekọ aba be man kra kasa mabre. Wo beda. Oh.
But me say even inti say even say obani adwuma kra na say problem aba. Would a quietness na be man ye na instead say omo ba address issue no afa phone. Omo I say mpaso kra na wafa the phone. O didi kra na just say on pet oba ni numa sin.
Some finding solace in the phone because nyaba kan me hu nya sabia wo.
Oh.
Now
we say yeah bobra.
E bra ben ya.
4 years
now. We bra.
Now.
We bra.
4 years.
When ya bra.
Na to say unu say me nya adwuma
ansa. Me na me expect say so be catch me say me person me bibi say. Now after 4 years on can he nkola ye be wo mo omo be ko school nkola omo didim na me nkwa na no we yo say de mama ma bro
enu nti na wasa we din wo
say me when a silent protest sa na ye
nti na o de sa silence net me e twi na
me cry de aka metimi de nia mi ndi aduane so aka ho
we cry de odi ne aduane
enu nti wagu mama no me aka mi ndi waduane ke no kra be ye oyamo no ahu say nia wo ye no me mpe
Inti so ko friend penifo mu ba asem ni mu a eno na
and dem make me feeling say we be asem because tio ade bi o I expect you to know inti wo hu no me hu dey tell make a
sure na won address issue to make peace
na what so we on Canada e bi o kan on inti oba no so onya adwuma no onim say so ope bi
Ebi a wakope o nya.
Adwuma na nya office pe na adwuma o. Because of also a graduate you have to yeah more call and comfort on fish omo you graduate omo depend paper to omo nam ton different. Oh, and yes, until if you now do, we say we are saying, and now there no one, no, sir.
Nti ebetimi aba ne say sa relationship we ebeko on a Bible ana ebetimi aba say divorce betimi abi mu ana.
Oh yes, say a trend no it was not oba no enhu say e so pa adwuma ye no the support ni kuna a time will come no one way cry also say no was started finding solace in the phone a time will come be no ba bia ono de oye adwuma or de no ho abata ba wi ana one day no
say ye nananom ni ye maame no mu nya adwuma o na so na aware ni gina
and then ye ma ye na ye ma no more afu say ni afu akra ye nya afu bia wa
nti oba no because of adwuma onye ni nti no ade nti na no be ye reason nti a divorce emba because omonya ba wi
o say no that's a baba me remember
nti we be jimba na free oba
oh that met me grandma omo baba me home
because of
no, you see, divorce is not the answer. No, that's not what I'm saying. But I'm also saying, say, Obano, you need to work. No, you can't be and then say, oh, the master, if you said then, what the brand but to me, meet me.
It's no, before I ever be rat our room, I didn't know ye interested in me in a ye juma, and sana ya papa sipo.
Some of them, because Oba when you do my answer, worry. Bema wonya adwuma yen so ware.
Enti bema ni no nim se oba na ni adwuma na opene so ekoware ne ko hu ne busua.
Se bia no fo se obeye adwuma. Na adwuma ne mai.
Watwen ya mai ware wi.
E bia da bi ti o omnya ga.
Se bro be da efria no.
Oh se bia.
Enti mi ahia atwen ama me ne wi nyina ye nyina aboma.
Se bia ohun no o ka che ne se obi wa be fa nanse ya. Ye de ne kwa adwuma bi nti ono so I'm just thinking aloud, but what I'm just telling you is this. Obano, she needs to find something to do. Even if pure takra, ubetimi abo container
just to make peace reign.
Yes, no atanaso. Na jawo ye ne kakra. Nyame beto super guso.
Nyame beto super eguso ampa. When eguso share Afrique media, but modern so be like obe subscribe na wa share. Asana da kono so aye bobo hu our resem. Nti ye rura Ben Bruce. Odina no sem ebeba ebieye. Ohene the pacho ubetimi etu ye nuanom emma ne memma yewura awawrem anase ye pese yewura awawrem yemfa asemi entomu.
In life, you've heard it say financial problems when it comes to marriage is dangerous. And before I'll be worried, make sure say mobeka about your finances. Oh, say na me and you say na me and how are we going to manage it? And no the man abrofo ekwa enim no because obaska be maskedi ye the boom ye the ahwefi ba ye man no ma say ye obema no ba fam no ahwe me obi a yawo so e de na be fa na me hwe so papa ne me no papa ne me ye nyina ye bobo ye ho e man ne me obi a bibi ye na ye nyina ntimi mo ye ho ne ntimi mo bra no because ye nyina o de kakraba nam so de kakraba e no na ntimi bo bra no ekwa enim me da ase
enye na ka akomo wo ye gino okwakuo nanum ono oyo oware ni ana wetimi etu ye fu say entifabi na fatu okotodwin midin e de esuna himana na apna ahwenye bo modi aso be like go subscribe na wa share we hu ye bioma na yakra.